Yeah, what time o'clock a strike? Yeah, I'm in Kingston right now, yeah. Wanna check out some dark parts. What time o'clock a strike? Right about now, I'm the Chris Arthur. I tell us I come here for check for your parts and thing for the car. Cause the car been give me some issues from last year until now. So I just decided say me I come get it sorted out, come in and get the parts fit, you know. So anyway, I come check for the parts and thing man, we that kind of show them which part issue is and thing. And you know, sometimes when you come a doctor and you try show doctor what go on the problem na I said time. So anyways, we go to boom and say alright, I go up on the road, go test it out and thing, go test it out, boom, the thing spin off for me. I mean, mechanic that tell me say that can happen to, you know. So I just say alright, I take a chance and come and see if we can get it sorted out, get the parts and then go back account to go sort it out. But that not gonna work out. I get it sorted out right here. So Chris Arthur. So when in a Kingston, no use car parts, genuine. Yeah man, just check out Chris Arthur. You don't know anything go. Yeah. So I get the problem sorted out now. Actually come off of the road until because it did break down on the road, you know. So reach back around our parts place and we are get the thing sorted out the right and proper way. Alright, so this is how I go on, you know. So we get everything sorted out, you know. One thing and thing. So some CV giant situation go on there and up, no go down blah blah blah. Also, you know, you can't get your water there, I said, you know, you can come and get your water refill. You want crystal clear, purified, filtered water and thing. So you can get your water. Yeah. Yeah man, so I go on for no want to no water, no can no link up and thing right here, right now. The thing fully active. So water in the fridge. How much is small bucket? See 50 of the small bucket. Give me a small one there. Give me a small one, go and quench your thirst. See? Been a rough day. Got to go on for today. Right, that's so we do right now, you know. Get the things I thought. Put it on what now? This is my one. Yeah. You know this out. This will just change after. Just change this after. Engine and transmission and all that sort of things. Okay, I'll get them, isn't it? Yeah, you name it, you get them right here. Yes, so see all I want, okay, they are sell too, you know what I mean? So, you know, and that little chuck you have to buy, see him here. Can just link up one thing, you know. check in. Yeah, just link up. Nice little truck. If you're interested in a small truck like this, clean. Yeah man, truck clean and thing, no? And just link up. Yeah. Interested? I'm gonna get the contact information and thing. Yeah. So that's a go on. I see the next one here too. Yeah man, this one here. This is a gas truck. Yes, so if you're interested in something like this, you can just reach out and let me know how I go. Nice gas truck. So just link up. I like man them I watch. When we in a truck in road, I don't want a truck like this. I want a truck like this, a gas truck, or the other truck I'm showing you first. Yeah man, friend of this I said speed. Yeah. Thing so that go on. Yeah. Yeah, start out and thing and fix up and such forth. That one some more parts still want. Some more parts, but we just have to fix up and fix an idea and thing. You know? Yeah man, so once you locked in, don't remember like up the video. If you're not yet subscribe to the channel. I don't know what you're waiting on. So I change all this for the put it on the squad team. Yeah man, see there now, tire back on bank here, so I go for a test drive and one thing. Alright, so now I go for a test run, yeah. So mechanical drive now. Get a test run. So I go, you know. I got simply run which way we go, I go back.
Hey, you free for going on there?
No, I just ask them, I go simply which way we brought down. I go simply around there. So they're on the test run now, people. One on the road that will come and broke down a while ago. So now we come back on test.